What's up guys, Mikul here, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XS, and obviously you've probably seen multiple of these iPhone XS unboxings. Well, let's do another one. Let's take off the plastic wrap, and that, so here's the box, and wow, so see we got the useful junk that you have, and then here we got the iPhone XS. I'm gonna actually first look at the rest of the box. Got the usual stuff. You got the lightning earpods. You got the lightning and charger and the brick, 5-watt brick. And now we got the iPhone XS. It's very shiny. I leave my plastic wrap on, or this way I move all my furniture at home. Actually, I want to take it off because it's satisfying. So it's very satisfying. Now let's turn it on before it turns on. Maybe. So, turning on, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.